In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your site URL using a free subdomain. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, head over to your website management dashboard. This is where you'll manage all the back-end features of your site. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. It's usually located on the sidebar or within the main menu. Clicking on Settings is your entry point to customizing and configuring many aspects of your website, from privacy settings to your site address. Now, within the settings interface that opens, you want to focus on finding the section specifically related to domains. A useful tip here is to use the search function provided. It's designed to help you quickly locate specific settings without having to sift through each section manually. Simply type in domain in the search bar, and you will be directed to the relevant area where you'll be making the changes to your site URL. This saves you time and ensures you don't miss the domain settings. Once you've located the domain settings, look for the website settings option and navigate to site address, URL. This is the crucial part where you'll be able to make your changes. Your current site address will be displayed here, giving you a reference point. If you're switching to a different free subdomain, this is the spot where you'll want to carefully type in your new domain name. Think of this as your site's new digital address. It's important to ensure that everything is typed correctly, because even a small typo in this area could result in a broken link, which means your site might not be reachable. After you've entered the new domain, you'll notice a Save button typically located at the bottom corner of the page. It is crucial to click Save to confirm your changes. Failing to save means your efforts to update the URL will be lost and the changes won't take effect. This is a common step that's easy to overlook but essential to ensure your new settings are applied. And there you have it. You've just successfully updated your site URL using a free subdomain. It's always a good idea to double check your website after making such changes to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. This quick test run will confirm that your new URL is operational. Remember also to inform your audience or anyone who frequently visits your site about this new URL. Doing so will ensure that they can continue to access your content without any confusion or inconvenience. In summary, navigating to the settings, finding the domain section, entering your new URL, and saving the changes are the key actions that will guide you through this process. By following these steps, you're making sure that your online